It can be difficult for actors to accurately mimic the recoil of guns, particularly those actors with little or no firearms experience. These firearms being shown now show how real recoil actually looks with the typical ammunition. Watch the arms and hands, not the gun. In indie film, airsoft and pellet guns that look like real guns are a good alternative to blank firing guns. They are cheaper and don't create noise, causing a disturbance or drawing attention. The muzzle flash can be added in post. Also, camera movement and the muzzle flash will help obscure the handgun recoil. Shotguns have more recoil, but this actor exaggerates the recoil. This video demonstrates live fire of a shotgun, and the recoil is manageable. Always treat guns as real and loaded, and avoid pointing guns at the camera if any crew are behind it. This will avoid confusion or danger. Notify police and bystanders if using guns on set. People have been shot when filming in locations where the crew was not obvious. This is only a brief list of safety steps. Please consult trained personnel when planning film shoots with weapons.